Hi guys, Dan from houseofhoot.com here, and today on the channel we're going to be doing some unboxing. We're going to be doing, since I've just got the camera, I've got all the stuff, like new stuff to go with it. One of the things that you need is a tripod. So what we're going to do is unbox this, the Primaphoto Gear. I'll try and get that in the shot there. The Primaphoto Gear PHKP001. And it comes from, you can get it from Amazon, you can get it from Argos. I actually just impulse bought it from Argos in the UK. So yeah, we're going to open it and see what's in the whole package. So it's an impulse buy. It was £23. It's £23 on Amazon. The link is in the description below. And basically I needed, the tripod that I'm using now is an Amazon Basics one. Doesn't have the little crank on it, it's not really tall enough for what I need, so it made sense to go and get a new one. I'm going to open it now, over there. Right, so here we go. So this is the box. Very big box, a made in China kind of box. Right, so in the box we have this carry case. Anything else? It's a tiny piece of cardboard. Probably don't need that, so I'll chuck that out of the way. Right, so let's open it and see what's inside. We have got nothing more. I mean, the carry case is nice. That'd be nice for taking it about wherever it needs to go. And then we've got this. So it's in the big cellophane bag. First impression of it is it's way chunkier than I was expecting. It's chunkier than the Amazon Basics one by a long way. There's your little instruction box, instruction, whatever it is. And there is the tripod, right in front of me there. So it's got a little, a nice little ball head on it. It's not so bad. It's got the quick release mount on there. Which looks all right. It's quite a chunky one as well. There's quite a lot of distance on there. Again, the Amazon Basics one, there's not a lot to it. So let's put that on there. Yeah, that's quite chunky. If I spin that around, you can get a little look at that. Perfect. And it goes all the way up. Apparently it goes up to 60 inches, which is 160 something centimeters. Don't know what that is in meters. 1.6. Priced at $22.99 on Amazon and pretty much everywhere you can get it. Yeah, it looks, pop that on the table there. It looks pretty good. It's got a little handle on there so you can use it as, I guess, an almost monopod. It's got this little, if you can see that there, get a close up of that. A little hook, there it is. Don't know what that's for. Hooking it to things, I imagine. Yeah, so little instructions, quick start guide more than anything, and the warranty, 3-year warranty if you go to primaphotogear.com. So let's actually try it out and see how it comes out, because it's built pretty well, but I want to actually get it up high and see how it handles it. Right, so as we put it together here, really easy to just pop those off. That goes up like that. Little telescopic legs. It's got this little ball caster on it. I don't know if you can see that there, but that's really really handy, because the other cheap tripods don't tend to have stuff like that. So that's nice. Let's finish popping this up. That's popped. That's popped. Right, so that's how it sits, which already feels okay. How do I get this bad boy to go higher? Because I'm a tall guy, and obviously this tripod that it's on doesn't go as high as I would like it to. This one should, in theory, go that high. So yeah, this will go basically, if I can just pull the camera up a little bit here. It will effectively go eye level with me, which is fine. Could be a bit taller, but I can't really argue with that. That's kind of, it's great for what I want. So yeah, I can hold that there like that. And it seems, it's got a little circle. Now let's put the camera on here and see how it works. Right, so obviously you can't see me right now, but I'm just gonna go up and down and show you how smooth the actual is. I guess it's not a video arm, it's a lever, but it's not a video arm because it's not quite, it doesn't go side to side, so it's not what you'd call a video arm. But yeah, it moves really well like that. It's got obviously a little twist on it, so you go up and down like so. Yeah, it's nice. So the height that it provides is really good as well. This is sort of eye level for me. This is sort of how I'd, if I was going to do like a standing shot or whatever, this is the height I'd be at, so it's perfect there. If I get the Amazon one back into shot, that doesn't even, if I just move that down a little bit, that doesn't even come close. That's all the way down here. So yeah, if you can help it, and if you've got a little bit more money still for a budget thing, then you want to ignore, I mean, it's nice for traveling. Nice little telescopic thing for traveling. It's really light, but for just doing this, for having a tripod right in your face with a camera or obviously a camcorder or whatever on it, this is the perfect height. This is great. So yeah, that's basically all there is to say on it, I think. Yeah, so that's everything you get inside the box for the Primaphoto, can't remember the name of it, Primaphoto PHKP001. Poo one. It's not poo, it's actually pretty good. Yeah, so you can get it from Amazon in the link below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, follow us on Twitter at House of Hoot. Follow us on Facebook. Can you follow people on Facebook? If you can follow people on Facebook, follow us on Facebook. We're also on Twitch. Sometimes we do streaming and that sort of thing. Thanks for watching, and bye.